shall continue our series on resolving the challenges of businesses and organizations using AWS resources. In today's situation, a school wants to upgrade its class scheduling system currently running on Amazon EC2 instance to provide greater computing power and memory capacity. Now, a possible suggestion is to scale up the EC2 instance by selecting a larger instance type to enhance the app's performance. So in this demo, we're going to be changing the instance type of the school server to a higher capacity. So let's get started by going to our EC2. Okay. So we'll now go to instances. You can see the school server here. You can see the school server. Let's currently the instance type is T2 micro. Obviously, is of lower capacity and computing power and memory. So to boost the capacity, we're going to change it to an instance type with greater computing power and memory capacity. Now, before you can change your instance type, you need to first stop the instance. So I'll go to instance state. Oh, I have to select it first. So I select server. And then go to instance state. Then stop instance. You need to stop it before you can make any changes. So I click stop. Let's refresh to see if it has completely stopped. Okay, so you can see that our server is completely stopped now. So the next thing is to go and initiate the change. So go to actions. Okay. Now we'll go to instance settings. Now you can see change termination protection, change stop protection, and so on and so forth. Then over here you can see change instance type. So click it. So let's take this off. Okay. So we can now choose our new instance. We'll go for T2 medium. Well, basically the idea is to know that you can, based on the higher computing capacity needs, you can change your instance type to suit your needs. Okay, let's try T2 medium. Set it to medium micro T3. So T3 medium. Okay. This is basically a lot more higher capacity. And of course, it's also not fit here. So we're going to make use of it. So I go to change instance type. Okay. So we'll have to restart the instance to actually be certain we've changed it correctly. Great. So you can see our new instance type. The server is already up and running. You can see the current instance type from T2 micro to T3 medium. And of course, T3 medium has higher capacity, both computing capacity and memory capacity than T2 micro. So in essence, in a case where the school needed to upgrade its scheduling system to provide greater computing capacity and memory, computing power and memory capacity. So we've succeeded in uh, taking care of that by improving or changing the instance type to one of higher capacity. Okay, I think that will be it for this demo. Thank you and see you again.